CopyStar, it's me, Carline anglade-cole, and I am going to give you one of my secrets that will really, really help you to stand out and become a sought-after copywriter, okay? Now, this secret, it works, and it works, and it works, definitely works for me, okay? I can count on it to get attention from my clients, but most importantly, attention from my market. Want to know what it is? You sure? All right, here it is. Don't just write about the obvious. Look for hidden gems, okay? Don't write about the obvious. Ordinary copywriters write about the obvious. Kick butt copywriters dig a little deeper to try to find that little unknown, that little mystery, that little aha moment that will click with your prospect. So don't write about the obvious. For example, let's say you are writing about a nutrient called CoQ10. This is an essential nutrient that keeps your heart cells alive, okay? It creates energy in your body. It's a spark of life that your whole body needs. Great stuff. So an ordinary copywriter will talk about CoQ10 as a heart saver or a heart energizer, or as being the essential nutrient that keeps your heart pumping, and those are okay ideas. They could work. Actually, they do work. I've seen them a bunch of times. A bunch of copywriters have used those lines already. Then they're done, okay? Ordinary. Want to know what this kickbutt copywriter did when she had to create an assignment a few years ago about CoQ10? Do you really want to know? All right, here it goes. Bam! The shocking truth about cholesterol-lowering drugs. Now, I took a totally different approach and showed the reader that cholesterol-lowering drugs actually deplete CoQ10 levels. And the reader doesn't even know about it. He's taking this drug and doesn't even know what it's doing. It is depleting an essential life-saving nutrient that his heart needs to have. That was a breakthrough idea. I mean, it was a breakthrough idea. Now, again, it was also over 10 years ago, and that package mailed for well over 3 years, but it was breakthrough at that time. Why? Because I didn't settle for the obvious. I dug deep trying to find something a little bit different that I could bring up, put a twist on it, and make my reader go, duh, I didn't know that. All right. Now, I will tell you, in today's market climate, I probably couldn't get away with that cover test, okay? But it is a perfect example of looking for hidden gems, all right? Get to thinking about looking for those hidden gems. You gotta find them. You gotta dig deep, and don't settle for superficial copy, Find that sweet spot that will really help you nail the sale. All right. Hey, was this helpful to you? This few minutes just together, was this helpful? If so, hey, give me a like. I like to be liked. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you subscribe to my CopyStar e-zine, where I give you lots and lots and lots of great copywriting tips and hints and proven strategies to rev up your copywriting skills. And it is free. All right. It's a free e-zine. All you have to do is go to my website at www.carlinecole.com to sign up right now. All right, go do it. And I'll see you next time, all right?